Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the Flexi TV Smart Stick, a device that claims to grant you over 1,000 HD channels with zero monthly fees and is set up so easy even your cat could do it. It even boldly labels itself as America's #1 rated smart stick, which is a pretty big title for something most people have never heard of. But before you throw your credit card at the screen, let's see if this thing is actually legit or just a very expensive paperweight. A quick glance at their official website shows reviews so glowing they're practically radioactive, mostly because they all look like they were copied and pasted by a very tired intern. However, when we head over to Trustpilot, the fantasy crumbles faster than a cheap biscuit. Real users are calling it a straight-up scam, citing false advertising and apps that, surprise, surprise, actually require the logins they promised you wouldn't need. Customer service is apparently about as responsive as a ghost, and getting a refund is a marathon of frustration. One reviewer even mentioned being pressured to write a positive review just to get a partial refund. Because nothing screams premium brand like holding a customer's money hostage in exchange for a 5-star lie. Let's dive into the red flags, which are currently flying higher than a kite in a hurricane. First, they claim to be featured on TechCrunch and Fox, but a quick search reveals that those platforms have absolutely no record of them. It turns out that as seen on TV actually means as seen in our dreams. Then there's their resident expert, Alex Dane. While he looks very professional, his photo was actually stolen from a random corner of the internet. I'm sure the real guy in the photo would be thrilled to know he's a world-class technologist for a shady stick company. The deception doesn't stop there. Their listed business address is a copy-paste job from the web, and their chatbot is essentially a digital brick that only spits out automated nonsense. It's hard to get help when the company basically exists in a fictional dimension. Furthermore, the product is being pushed by aggressive affiliates who care way more about their fat commissions than whether your TV actually works. Toss in some classic marketing bait like 75% off and limited time offer, and you've got a recipe for a classic trap. After seeing the fake endorsements, stolen images, and non-existent support, it's clear the Flexi TV Smart Stick is a total bust. Save your money and your sanity. This is one smart stick that's actually pretty dumb.